baby. Pulling my hair out. I wish it felt good. What color eyes do you have? I can't see you. Are you making a nest? Or you just like the color of my hair? How we entertain ourselves. There is a nest up there, but it's a... Neighbors are looking. Mockingbird nest there. This is not a mockingbird. I hope mockingbirds don't hurt you. I do have a screen room. Are you interested? We could put you in the screen room. Could keep you safe. Where'd you go? Oh, I can't feel you when you're not hurting me. So sweet. Did you just bump your head, or do you do this to everybody? I'm loving it. I did have some plans for today, but they've all been canceled. Okay, we turn this off now. Boop boop.